Waiting for the 2027 Mazda CX-30 might be the smartest move you make this year. Because this update is bringing an updated look, sharper handling, and premium technology to price points the competition simply can't touch. If you've been shopping the subcompact crossover segment and walking away feeling like you're overpaying for underwhelming, the 2027 CX-30 is the vehicle that changes that calculation. While most rivals are asking you to spend more to get basic features like all-wheel drive and a decent-sized screen, Mazda is going in the opposite direction. And that's exactly why waiting for the 2027 Mazda CX-30 is a genius move. Number 7. New look. The 2027 CX-30 is arriving with a freshened front fascia and a brand new Air Edition trim, introducing a fully blacked-out styling package. Mazda's Kodo philosophy, the sculpted surfaces, the way light moves across the body, the clean proportions, has proven it doesn't need a ground-up redesign. There's a quiet frustration that builds when a vehicle looks exactly the same year after year. It starts to signal that the manufacturer has stopped paying attention. The 2027 update is evidence that Mazda still is. The Air Edition carries gloss black badges, 18-inch black metallic wheels, black roof rails, and black mirror caps, working beautifully against finishes like aero gray, snowflake white, and deep crystal blue. Inside, white leatherette seats with gray suede-like inserts, a gray dashboard finish, and light gray stitching create an airy feel that contrasts the exterior without feeling mismatched. A fresh look is one thing, but what's under the hood is where the 2027 CX-30 starts to pull away from everything else in its class. Number 6. Excellent powertrain options, class-leading. The 2027 CX-30 is carrying two engine options, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder and a 2.5-liter turbocharged unit, both paired with a 6-speed automatic and all-wheel drive standard across every single trim level. Most buyers in the subcompact class accept sluggish acceleration as part of the deal. The 2027 CX-30 makes no such trade-off. The base engine is producing 186 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, figures that rank at or near the top of the class. Competitors like the Honda HR-V and Toyota Corolla Cross typically charge $1,500 to $2,000 extra for all-wheel drive. Here it comes standard. Think about how often subcompact owners find themselves on a highway ramp, hoping the engine responds. That hesitation can be genuinely stressful. The turbocharged engine eliminates it entirely, producing 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet on premium fuel, and 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet on regular 87 octane, hitting 60 miles per hour in 6.2 seconds. In a vehicle this size, at this price point, that kind of performance belongs to a different conversation entirely. That power is impressive on paper, but the real question is whether the chassis can actually keep up with it, and that answer is coming next. Number 5. Improved handling. The 2027 CX-30 is continuing as the most engaging model in the subcompact crossover class, and the upcoming updates are widening that lead. A brake-based limited slip differential is going standard across all 8 trim levels, applying selective braking to improve traction and stability through corners and on slippery surfaces. It works alongside the iActive all-wheel drive system, creating a more cohesive, planted feel the previous generation couldn't quite achieve. Most drivers don't think about ride quality until they've spent an hour on a badly maintained road and arrive feeling beaten up. That's the problem the updated suspension is directly solving. The dampers are getting revised tuning, absorbing imperfections more effectively without eroding the cornering precision that separates this crossover from every rival. G-Vectoring Control Plus, which fine-tunes engine torque and braking through corners, is now standard on every variant, not just upper trims. Knowing which trim to buy and what each level is actually delivering for 2027 is just as important as knowing how it drives. Number 4. Trim level updates. The 2027 CX-30 is offering 8 trim levels, 6 naturally aspirated and 2 turbocharged, with every level receiving practical, meaningful additions. The 2.5S covers LED headlights, an 8.8-inch display, and the full iActive Sense safety suite. The Select Sport is getting the most substantial additions like wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, an 8-way power driver's seat with memory, heated front seats, Alexa built-in, and leatherette upholstery in black or the new grayish tone. The preferred gains the 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless phone charging, and a power moonroof. Finally, the all-new Air Edition brings the signature blacked-out exterior and distinctive light interior. Then comes the Carbon Edition, with red leather seats and a 12-speaker Bose audio system. The Premium is gaining a heated steering wheel and a 360-degree view monitor, both newly standard at this level. The Turbo Air Edition and Turbo Premium Plus, the most prestigious variants of the crossover, deliver the full turbocharged experience at the high-level luxury. What makes this structure especially interesting is where the technology is landing, because the biggest additions are showing up much lower than anyone would expect. Number 3. Tech features availability. The 10.25-inch touchscreen is moving down to the preferred trim, which is a significant shift from its previous position as a turbocharged model exclusive. It is also gaining touch functionality for CarPlay and Android Auto use, giving more buyers a far better interface. Nobody buying a $30,000 crossover expects to fight their infotainment just to change a destination. That's exactly what the expanded display is fixing. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are expanding to the Select Sport. Alexa built-in is now standard on all trims except the base. The 360-degree view monitor arrives as standard on the Premium, rather than being reserved for the flagship. Wireless charging lands at the preferred level. Mazda connected services, remote start, remote lock/unlock, emergency dialing, and vehicle monitoring comes with a complimentary 1-year trial across the entire lineup. Better technology at every price point is a strong story, but the safety picture running underneath all of it is even harder to ignore. Number 2. Advanced Drive Assist features. The complete iActive Sense safety suite is arriving standard on every 2027 CX-30. No tiered rollout, no feature gating based on spend, smart brake support with automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection, Mazda radar cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention alert. Every one of those systems is included at every price point. Long highway drives are where fatigue quietly becomes a real danger, not from recklessness, but simply because sustained focus at 70 miles per hour is genuinely taxing. That's what the Turbo Premium Plus's cruising and traffic support addresses, a Level 2 system managing lane centering and following distance simultaneously. The load it removes on longer journeys is substantial. The results are measurable. The 2027 CX-30 is holding both the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus designation and a 5-star NHTSA overall safety rating. Among all manufacturers earning that recognition, Mazda is leading with more qualifying models than any other brand. All of that capability is arriving at prices that, when you look at what's actually changed, are harder to argue with than anything else in this segment. Number 1. Attractive prices. The 2027 CX-30 is arriving with price increases that are, by any reasonable measure, modest. The base 2.5S is coming in at approximately $27,500 with a destination, which up just around $800 from the last year. Most refreshed vehicles come with refreshed pricing that's hard to justify. The Preferred, gaining the 10.25-inch touchscreen and wireless charging, is seeing the smallest increase in the entire lineup, just $150, landing at approximately $30,800. The Air Edition enters at around $31,500. The Carbon Edition lands near $32,525. The Premium arrives at roughly $34,735. The Turbo Premium Plus settles at approximately $39,395. Across all 8 trims, increases fall between $150 and $950, with most rising just 2.5 to 3.0%. Factor in the revised dampers, standard limited slip differential, expanded wireless connectivity, and larger screens at more price points, and the value equation becomes clear. The 2027 Mazda CX-30 is arriving as one of the most well-rounded updates in the subcompact segment in recent memory. A sharper exterior with the all-new Air Edition, class-leading power with standard all-wheel drive at every trim level, a chassis that's getting more refined without losing any of its edge, and a technology and safety package pushing features down the lineup rather than holding them behind higher price points. The Preferred is gaining a 10.25-inch touchscreen for essentially nothing extra. The Premium is picking up a heated steering wheel and 360-degree camera without a significant jump. 5-star NHTSA safety and IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus across the board. Price increases between $150 and $950 on a vehicle delivering more than it did before. In a segment full of crossovers asking buyers to compromise on something, the 2027 CX-30 is making a strong case that you don't have to. But As great as the 2027 CX-30 is, it's not like there are no worthy alternatives in this highly competitive segment. If you're looking for something not necessarily oriented to style and luxury, but rather on off-road performance and ruggedness, then you definitely want to check out our video about the key updates on the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. From major updates under the hood to high-tech goodies like a digital instrument cluster, the Crosstrek is further solidifying its market position and becoming even more appealing than before.